Welcome back to claydesk.ai. And here in this demonstration, I'm going to talk about the acreage calculator and how you can easily calculate your land area. And not only that, typically calculators only calculate, let's say, the length and the width, right? But since we use AI and our calculator is advanced, we have included the irregular shape, which means you can add 4 sides, which is awesome because typically when you're measuring your land, you want 4 sides because it's not a rectangle all the time, right? So it's not a square, it's not a rectangle. Sometimes you have a diagonal line or irregular shape. So, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this on how you can enter your land dimensions. So I'm going to use all 4 sides because that's pretty common and realistic, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do length. So for example, my length of the lot is 220 and the width is 340 is the width, for example, and just making this up, right? And again, you can input your own numbers as you move forward. Now, the side 3, for example, is, let's say, 560, and then the side 4 is only 443, all right? Just for the sake of calculations. So I'm going to go ahead, and of course, I can also check these boxes such as show detail area breakdown, save the calculation to history, and display as well. So I'm going to go ahead and once I input the land dimensions, calculate the acreage, and boom, it's going to go ahead and do it. Awesome. So here's the analysis. Here's the acreage results. So the length is 220, which I entered earlier. The width is 340. And then the area results is as follows. So it's 3.51 acres. It's 152,685 square feet. It's 1.42 hectares. And then square meters is 14,185. And here are the key metrics once again displayed for your consumption. You can download the results as well. Simply download the result, save it in a text file, or for your reference later on as well. Now, the comparisons, by the way, is great because our AI comes up and says, hey, all right, the football field is 2.65, tennis courts is 54.38, and so on. So here's the history. It keeps the history for you because that's what you calculated. And if you just want a quick scenarios, we've added the quick scenarios such as 1 acre, 10K square feet, 1 hectare residential lot, and so on. So these are again pre-built quick scenarios if you do not have a custom dimensions to input. Since we added the 4 sides, this is what we have as far as the results are concerned. Now, please do verify the results otherwise because it's always a good idea to cross-check the results. All right, so, and of course, scroll down, we have other details as to the conversion factors, the common land area units, everything that you need to know about the acreage calculations and how to do step-by-step calculations as well, about the GPS or mapping tools and the use cases as well. And there are other information on this page as well that you can take a look at. So everything that you need to know about the acreage calculator, calculate your land area on all 4 sides, whether it's 4 sides, whether it's 2 sides. So say, for example, I'm going to quickly do this as well. So let's reset the calculator. And if my length is, let's say, 300 and the width is 600, I can simply do a calculate acreage. Now, this time it only used the length and the width, right? So if that's the case, that's fine. Otherwise, of course, you can only use 4 sides as well. So I hope this helps. There are other calculators as well. So you can take a look at other calculators in the land area or construction or finance, and there are thousands of calculators. Just navigate to claydesk.ai and boom, you have all these tool categories. The best way is to just search for the tool. All right, hope this helps. And if you can't find the calculator, comment down below, let me know. We regularly add calculators every single day. With this, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.